In this tutorial, we will learn about the helical oblique spring curve and sweep feature of SolidWorks by creating a spring. Helical oblique spring curve tool is used to create helical coil spring or thread feature. In this tutorial, we will see how springs can be created by using it. Sweep feature is used when we want to create a solid using a closed sketch profile and a path. Addition to this, we will also watch how to use surface extrude, projected curve, and circular pattern tools, etc. So let us start the tutorial. Create a new part file. Change units of the file to millimeter, gram, second. Create a new sketch over front plane. First, create a vertical center line of infinite length at the origin. This will be used as axis. Next, create a circle in the sketch and position it using the dimension as displayed. The sketch is complete, so exit from the sketching mode. Switch to Feature tab, then create a new plane parallel to the top plane and at the center point of the circle. Now activate the Helix and Spiral tool. Now select the newly created plane to draw a circle which will define the helix cross section. Draw a circle coincident to the origin of the part and previously drawn circle. Helix and Spiral tool is active. First confirm if the start point of curve is coincident to the origin of profile or not. The helix start point can be adjusted by controlling the start angle. We will use height and pitch to define the curve. Fill the height and pitch values as shown. Change the direction of the curve to counterclockwise. Click OK to create the curve. Activate the sweep tool. First, define the sweep profile, then the path. Click OK to execute the command. Change the color of the model as per your wish. Now create a new sketch over right plane. Use Convert Entities tool to project the edges of spring and draw the following sketch. Fully define the sketch by adding dimensions and constraints. The sketch is complete, so exit from the sketching mode. Again, create a new sketch over the front plane as displayed. Switch to Surface tab and activate Extrude Surface tool. Select the sketched arc from the Direction 1 field. Define the mid-plane option. Drag this arrow to define the length of the extrude. Click green check mark to create the surface extrude feature. Next, activate Projected Curve tool. First, define sketch to project, then projection face. Reverse the projection direction and preview will be visible. Click green check mark to execute the command. Now create a new sketch over this face and project this edge in the sketch. Now activate Sweep tool and create a sweep feature as displayed. Now draw a sketch over right plane to be used as axis. Activate Circular Pattern tool. First define feature to pattern and then pattern axis. Fill the angle for the pattern. Click green check mark to execute the command. The model is complete, so save the file.